Okay, been a few days since I got this. Just now get a chance to put it in. It's the Pure Power. It's the Lifetime Performance Eco Filter. It is a reusable lifetime filter for oil engine. Comes with instructions. Again, packaged really nice. Got a warranty card inside of it with a link on their Facebook where you can register the product. This is part number PP8431L. There are a couple different models of this one. All thread pattern and everything is the same. The difference is the length of the canister. This is actually 2 sizes bigger than what OEM is on this Jeep, but I have room since it sits right on top of my starter. So we're gonna give it a go, and super impressed to get this on and see what happens. So this is a lifetime warranty on this Pure Power filter. On the end of it also tells you, hey, here's the product number, here's cleaning instructions, here's the spare parts, their address, phone number, all that good stuff. Also with a warning, just so that if you go somewhere to get it changed, they don't have to throw it away. Again, this thing is massive, solid construction, really, really good quality. Had a lot of the naysayers saying, well, it's a mechanic filter, it's not going to catch small particles or what have you. I'm not going to disassemble this one since it's already assembled, but there's product links and stuff like that on their website that shows you all the components to ensure that it catches everything inside. What I really like is the grip on the oil filter for easy off and on application. Step-by-step instructions here on it's delivered, it's completely installed, ready to put it on. You just basically got to put, your common oil on the O-ring before you put it on. Then once you take it apart, how to put it back together. Great looking quality product so far. I am not going to bore you with how to change the oil. If you don't know how to change the oil on your vehicle, probably shouldn't be watching the video, but I'll get the oil drained, get it cleaned up, and then we'll go from there. All right, so she's all back together. Fit in there absolutely perfect. Had plenty of room. Looks great in the vehicle. No issues with it. Only issue I have is trying to get the old one off. So, but starting to come together again. Pure Power. Super excited for this. Getting ready to go in and do my warranty paperwork on it and log it in there. And then again, I'll take some pictures of the website, so on and so forth, and post it on the link. Thanks again.